Hi everyone, my name is Ana Luisa and I'm a math teacher. And today I'm going to teach you how to calculate the slope in linear functions. First, let's understand the idea of the slope. So, the basic idea of the slope is to divide the change in height by the change in horizontal. Um, we can also say the change in a y and the change in an x, or rise over run. So when you have a function, a linear function, if you get 2 points, the slope will be the distance that you have in the y-axis between these 2 points over the distance in the x-axis between these 2 points. Let's see an example. Here we have a graph and this function represented in red. Let's get exact points in this function in order to calculate the slope. It is easier if you find exact points, so you don't have to work with fractions or decimals. So we got these 2 points in our function, and now let's see the y-axis distance between these two. It's 2 units. And the x distance between these 2 points is 3 units. So we learned that the slope is the difference in y by the difference in x. So we have our rise over run. So the slope is 2/3. We can also calculate the slope if we were given the points. So let's suppose that we were given this point 2, 1 and the second point 5, 3. Using these 2 points, I'm going to call the 2, 1 the point 1 and the 5, 3 the point 2. So x1 will be 2, x2 will be 5, y1 will be 1, and 3 will be y2. So we have this formula here that we can easily calculate the slope of a function given 2 points that are in the function. So we use our y2 that is 3, our y1 that is 1, so 3 minus 1, and our x2 that is 5, and our x1 that is 2, so 5 minus 2 is 3, and we have the same answer that the slope is 2/3. Now I'll tell you a story about the slope dude so we can learn better the 4 different types of slope. That is the positive slope, the negative slope, the zero slope, and the undefined slope. So, the slope dude was climbing a mountain. And in this first part, the green part, he said, puff, puff, positive. Puff, puff, positive. He got to the top of the mountain, and now he's going on this red part. And he said, nice, negative, nice, negative. He got to the bottom part of this mountain, and this is zero fun. This is zero fun. He got to the end and he saw a cliff. But he didn't stop. So he fell off the cliff and he screamed, undefined. This was a short story. So let me explain better what is the undefined slope. When calculating the slope, you put the change in y over the change in x. So But if you have a vertical line, you don't have a change in x. So our change in x will be 0. But you can't divide by 0. This is very, very, very wrong in math. You can't ever divide by 0. So that's why we call undefined slope. So that's it for today, guys. I see you in the next lesson. I hope you like it. And if you have any doubts, you can comment here in this video, or you can send me a message on Instagram. This is my Instagram. And yeah, I see you in the next lesson.